Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are joining me today. But do you guys see the glow on my skin? And guys, it's not because I'm getting a lot of extra sleep, and it's not because of all the water that I have been consuming, although those things are important for a healthy, radiant, glowing skin. But today, this glow is all because of this PMD system that I am using, Personal Microderm system, in order to exfoliate, revealing the healthiest, most radiant skin possible. And I can show you how you can have this too coming up next. Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back. I pray that your brand new year is off to a great start and that you have put into place those plans for a healthier and better you. I know that I have, guys. My vision board is right in front of me, and there's a lot of things up there that I have that I planned on seeing myself manifest in this new year. And one of those things is a healthier, better me, including this skin. Today, I want to share with you another method that I use to keep the skin healthy and glowing, and that is exfoliating. Now, previously, I had shared with you one way that I do exfoliation, and that was with my DIY honey sugar facial scrub, which you guys, I absolutely love, love, love. The honey, the coconut, and some essential oils are exactly what my skin needs. And if you've not yet seen that video before, I will leave the link to that video in the card above. Today, I have another method that I am going to share with you, and this one being my PMD, which stands for Personal Microderm System. And this is what mine looks like. It comes in different colors, but this is the one that I chose. And you guys, I have to admit, I actually bought this a few years ago, tucked it away in one of my closets or drawers someplace, completely forgot about it. And I remembered it again recently when I was looking for it because I had actually had a couple of hyperpigmentation issues that I wanted to manage and deal with. And I knew that this is exactly what I needed to do the job. You guys, proper exfoliation is important to rid your skin of those dead skin cells. And I don't know if you all realize it, but your skin sheds each and every day. So it's really important to rid your skin of those dead cells so that way it can avoid clogging your pores. And another reason is because when you remove those dead skin cells barriers, it also allows for a healthier, radiant skin, and it also allows the skin products that you are accustomed to using penetrate and do the job that they were intended to do. And you guys, this is critical because as we age, and as early as age 25, collagen production slows down. And collagen is the protein that holds it all together, which prevents sagging and wrinkles in our skin. So in order to help Mother Nature along, what we have to do is to use supplements such as collagen powder, collagen pills, and also use external methods such as moisturizers to boost the collagen production. And in order to make the most benefit of those products, we have to make sure that those products have a good foundation, and that being making sure that all the dead skins have been removed, being that barrier from your skin, so those products can do its job and penetrate your skin. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I am going to show you guys how I put this PMD into action. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I am going to wash my face, and I will be right back. Okay, everyone, the first thing that you want to do is to wash your face with one of your favorite cleansers and then gently pat your skin dry. Because in order to effectively use this PMD system, your skin needs to be dry. Now what I do is decide which one of these discs that I want to use. I am using a very gentle disc on my face, but they come in gentle and medium and coarse. And once I've chosen, then what you want to do is to attach it to the tip of your PMD system. Put the cap on, and the first thing you want to do is test it on your arm just to make sure that it is gentle enough for your face. And then the next thing that you want to do is hold your skin taut as you glide the machine in an upward sweep over your skin. And do avoid going over the same area twice. And guys, I am getting immediate results from this. As you can see, my skin is turning pink, and that is because that layer of dead skin has been immediately and instantly removed. And make sure you get that nose area because that oil definitely builds up in the corner of your nose. And you guys, you can see the difference already in my skin. Now time for to do the next side. And of course this chin area where I also have some hyperpigmentation issues. So definitely over the next several weeks, I will be focusing on those areas. Okay, everyone, I have just rinsed my skin and patted it dry, and this is what it is looking like. Love, love, love the results. So now I've got a great foundation to which to apply either my toner or my oil or my moisturizer, and I've got a DIY oil that I use, which includes some essential oils. I love my essential oils, you guys. I am definitely a natural girl, as well as some rose hip seed oil. So I'm going to put some of this on my skin. And I am going to pat it in an upward motion. And I do have a different DIY oil for my under eye area. I don't use the same thing. Guys, look at that skin glow. Right? Love, love, love. This little thing right here, love this, guys. Give it a try. What I will do is I will leave the link to where I got it, which was Amazon, in the description. But the key is proper exfoliation, okay? Don't use anything that is going to harm your skin. Example, if your skin is dry, then this little gadget right here may not work for you because it may be more irritating than it is a benefit to you. And it's the same thing with scrubs. So the key to it is to exfoliate, but use the products that will best benefit your skin. So guys, thank you so very much for joining me. And I would love to hear from you and let me know what things, products, gadgets that you use to exfoliate so that you can get the healthiest, most radiant skin possible. Please do share and leave the information in the comments below. But until we meet again, guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And again, if you are not yet part of my YouTube family, I would love if you join the family by pressing that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up and please do share. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've got something to say too. Thank you all so much for joining me.